Hi, I'm Brian McMail with Rocket Plumbing. I'd like to tell you about this exciting new machine we have called a Picote machine. It's Picote. This is a new revolutionary drain cleaning machine that's turning our industry upside down. We just went through a customer's house here on the northwest side of Chicago, and this customer had some very significant dense roots that he could not get out. He's had other plumbers here and other companies here trying to get it open. Let me tell you a little what's different about this machine. And instead of like the old C-cutter machine that just has a little half-round machine, you have what looks like this medieval chain device. It's a very if you can focus in a little bit, I'm going to show you how this works. When you press the button, this thing spins like a cyclone, okay, and it spreads out the diameter of the pipe. Now we have all these different size chains. We have a larger one that can go in 6-inch pipe and 3-inch pipe. And what this does, instead of a C-cutter, as you rotate, what it does is it grabs the whole root at one time. So when you have a dense root, this thing's going to go in there and spin, and it's going to eat the whole root. And then what you can do is you can go with bigger chains, and as it spins, you're going to touch the whole side diameter of the pipe. Now you might be wondering, is this safe for the pipes? Well, this has been engineered multiple times by many different engineers, and they've tested this thing through and through on several occasions. And not only is it safe for pipes, but it actually puts a shine on the side of the pipe. So this guy here, this customer here, basically what we did, we went through with 3 different chain heads, and we shot it all the way down the drain, and we put the camera in afterwards. You see with our camera here. And this sewer now looks beaming clean. There's not a root to be seen, not even a string root hanging there. We have completely got rid of his roots. And this is the power of this machine. We can open up your drain to the point where you have to worry about roots for sometimes even years to come. So if you have any more questions about drain cleaning, root cleaning, getting your pipe open without having to dig up your front lawn, please contact Rocket Plumbing and ask about our new Picote machine and our root cleaning machine that is revolutionizing drain cleaning. Thank you very much and have a blessed day.